In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From desktop, click on search and search for settings and open it. Now from left side, click on time and language. After this, click on typing and here you have to click on advanced keyboard settings. Now click on language bar options. Here you have to check floating on desktop and also check show original language bar icons in the taskbar and show text labels on the language bar. Then click on apply and then OK and check is language bar showing in taskbar or not. If it's not, then again from desktop click on search and type settings and open it. Now from left side click on time and language and here click on language and region. Here remove the language other than English by just click on these three dots in front of language name. Then click on remove and then click on yes. Then the language bar will start showing in the taskbar and you can re-add language by just clicking on add a language and here you can choose the language to install. So that's how you can fix language bar missing from taskbar in Windows 11 in just few easy steps.